This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker EBET or Ebet, down over 22% on the day. So massive dump here, massive sell-off. Been covering this stock and I've been talking about how they're in a lot of trouble financially. They recently defaulted on a loan, and long term for this stock, it's not looking good. And they've been making a move lower here lately. If we look at the daily here, they moved down. If we zoom into the tail end here, they moved down from this peak here of over 8 cents. And now they are down like 50% or more. And they just announced a 1-for-30 reverse stock split. So that's kind of the catalyst here for this huge sell-off. And, just let this be a lesson here to people. It looks like it's going to take effect on October 2nd. So that's going to be the effective date there. And, just keep this in mind. This is what happens when you play with fire and you play with these companies that are bleeding a ton of money and in a really bad position financially. This is what can happen to you, because there were people that bought in at, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents, 11 cents. We saw some higher prices in here, and, people are gambling, trying to get in on some kind of a pump, and, maybe some people are successful at it, and, good for them. But when you're playing with something like this is the kind of price action that happens sometimes, and you end up getting burned sometimes really badly. So yeah, I feel bad for the people that, again, bought 8, 9, 10, 11 cents, and even buying at this peak here, because with this reverse split, you could see a fat gap down and a fat sell-off now. So I'll kind of see if this thing can even hold the 4-cent level, or if it's heading into the threes. But it's hovering right at that 4-cent level right now. Wouldn't be surprised if this thing bleeds out here and heads into the 3-cent range. So, I don't know. I had a lot of people commenting on my videos lately and talking a lot of smack and, saying how this thing is going to go to the moon and do this, that, and the other. And, I called this out as a good short around, I think it was like the 8-cent mark or something, when they went on this original pump. And looks like I was ended up being right on this. So it's not looking good for Ebet. Again, their financials are trash. They're bleeding a lot of money. They are in a lot of trouble. I mean, it's never good when a company is like defaulting on loans and taking out additional money, or borrowing additional money when they can't even pay back the loans that they already have. So no surprise here. If this thing does try to bounce and try to recover, still long term, I'm not impressed with this company. They're bleeding too much money. Their financials are garbage. So, expect big moves like this to the downside to continue to happen here for ticker EBET or Ebet. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.